welcome back to another video. Just want to give you a quick update. I am in the process of doing some networking type stuff for my smart home. So I'll be doing kind of a two-part series in the next two videos. This is just give you an update of what I'm working with and what I plan on doing. So of course, everyone's seen that I had to install this network panel. I ran the Coax lines as well. And I actually finally ran the Ethernet lines that were in the rooms that want the telephone cables in. This one is just an extra one that's going from here up to the attic and then down. And this will connect to the analog telephone system for the Unifi Talk. So I have all the wires branching off into this telephone module. Then this will have the input from the Unifi Talk ATA, and then I have on top of here the Coax cables to each of the rooms and to the patio but fireplace as well. So originally I was gonna convert all of these lines that were to the rooms to telephones. A couple of them didn't make sense. The one above the patio fireplace and the one that's above the fireplace in the family room didn't make sense. So I went ahead and made those Ethernet along with the one where the TV's at as well, the support over there. I was gonna put a telephone jack on that one, but decided to go ahead and make that one Ethernet as well, and just use that as a backup in case I need Ethernet for another added device once I start running out of space on my switch over there. So the rack will also be getting worked on. I have 3 patch panels coming in along with a CyberPower UPS. So I'm gonna have to take all this down, kind of do some cable management in the back, especially with the power cables and all that stuff. I'm gonna rearrange some of these shelves. I'm moving this one all the way up to the top, and I have another shelf that I'm gonna put at the very bottom of here. I'm gonna move this base place right here and place the big shelf at the bottom right here, moving this up as well. Here are some of the tools that I'll be using. The Coax crimper from Klein, the RJ11, RJ45 crimper with the pass-through cut-through as well. Strips wire and cuts wire as well. This is the Coax stripper to get for the compression tool. I have my punch down tool ready. I have my line tester. I have already used this and it worked out great, especially when I was trying to trace the telephone lines for each room. So I have marked like some of the rooms, like I'll put this one right here as a mark as this is master bedroom 1. This one here is for my office, is a long one. Then I have some other ones that are like 4 dots, 3 dots, 5 dots, and those for the bedroom. So this was bedroom number 5 because it has 5 dots on it. So those have been identified. I have the cable tester for the Coax right here. I should have got more of these. They come in different color codes. So I have this red one right here. Pardon me, as I have one hand and I'm recording the other hand. So I have this red one right here. If I push the test button, the red's gonna show this red. So whenever I put this in one of the rooms, I start testing them, I'll go from there. I am rating on a label maker because I'm gonna do this right the very first time. So all these cables, all the network cables will be heat shrink labeled once I get the label maker in and whatnot. So I know I talked about the sensors for the car water sensors. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the M3 to be released on that one. I did finally pick up some car pressure sensors. I'll be working on these after I get the network stuff done. Hopefully by that time I'll have an announcement of when the M3 hub will be coming out. They said something about February, March. So we're in February. hopefully in a couple weeks we'll hear something. I actually bought this off of, was it eBay? Yeah, I got this off of eBay. I didn't pay 15 bucks for it. I wish I did. I think I paid 20 with shipping and everything from the reseller. So I guess the reseller got for super cheap, got 15 bucks. But I had that outside on the patio over by the fireplace. And I went ahead and picked up 2 more of these multi-sensors from Abode as well. These are the network plugs I'll be using when I start doing the network jacks. This is the box where the Unifi Talk ATA came in. So very simple, easy set up. Let's see, let me put this down so y'all can see. And here it is. Alright, so that's what it looks like powered on. It is PoE, power with the Ethernet, or I can use a USB-C cable to power it, but I'm gonna use the PoE. That's why I got that one cable that's gonna be a run. I just went ahead and got it adopted into Unifi. These are the 2 telephone lines I can have for the Unifi system. Like I said, I'll have that mounted in there. I do plan on keeping the cable modem in there as well for now, and I have a mount for that over here as well. So I'll have that all nicely mounted and everything. And then, like I said, the goal is to have, once Unifi comes out with the new cable modem with the DOCSIS 4.0 standard, I will replace that cable modem with that one and place the cable modem in the rack. So that is the goal. So I just want to do a quick update on the video. Here it is. I'll give you another spill on my home bridge issues I have. I got it on Intel enough for now. But that's a whole different video, and I'll go into that. It's a little bit of a rant. So just want to give you an update. So network panel, network rack, and then along with a home bridge update as well. So I'll see you in the next one.